lose it, you know that. I drugs kill Merciless, you know.
No, so I hear.
His drugs kill Merciless.
Yeah, but
They just shy to say.
It was no heart attack.
No heart attack or nothing, brethren. However,
I want to kill a come like him the pan drugs up to the arrogance.
Yeah, bitch, man.
I like killer and a killer go suck him woman go man. Killer come like a boy. I don't like bounty killer. I never like bounty killer. I will never like bounty killer. Bounty up. See bounty the worst blood clot DJ. You know it's the best bounty killer gone, you know.
When every gangster gun loaded, we no instigate violence, but we believe in a self-defense.
Welcome to True Island. You know what? Pull it in. Quick bulletin for full it in. Your Buffett, bring a bully beef in for put it in. No man for them and make you some bullet him. You know a bad man sitting this. Alright, we're gonna touch back the topic where we bring out a sit where if you miss it, where Dan Mafia got Merciless funeral. You understand me? Go be a man the mentioner. You have a channel on in a Dan Mafia, you know, so you go sign up for it. You understand me? Yeah, I start a new channel on there, so you go start out it. I go try to link in the description. But if me don't remember, so but anyway, Dan Mafia say, you know, him rate killer. First of all, I remember this is not my words, it's a film words. The man rate killer. The man killer go through them ups and down, but killer now pass him a road and him now pass killer road. That's how the Mafia say. If killer echo the same sentiment, no. But everybody at talk about Merciless funeral, you don't know say top selector Ricky Trooper come out come share him sentiment, you know what I mean? Him dark, oh, enough man no go and Killer was one of them, you see me? No, enough man, enough artists no go. Are they obligated to go to his funeral? No, not in the descript, not in the memo, not in the logbook. Not in the dancehall diary, say them have to go. But would it be appreciated if they had went and showed their support? Most certainly it would have been appreciated by Merciless's family and the dancehall audience and the dancehall fraternity on a whole. So every man we no go hope say Smadils go neatly. You understand me? Say it no look bad. But when he boil back down, nobody no go and his space empty. Was Merciless that hated in the dance hall? Why them not give me support? No, every man we not go have a reason, and to every man his reason is tangible as the other. You understand? Meaning for him reason why I'm not go important. You know what I mean? But everybody a talk about Killer, nobody not talk about Beanie Man, nobody not talk about Capitan, nobody not talk about Vibes Cartel. Well, Vibes Cartel obviously couldn't have went to, y'all know why. So, but me know him probably send him condolence fifth. Likewise Tamili, likewise Storm Shan. You understand? But no, Killer go over so go do an interview and you know, me hear it from Motor Massey. So Motor Massey, anyway they go and massy up your mouth cause you break that one, you understand? So glum. One out I number 9 engine for Motor Massey, you know, check her out. Yeah man, I think a top thing. Very nice girl, you know, eloquent speaker and things. So she a giant and I think you can't get her. But anyway, Killer now get back around over, you know, over K-Man after 16 years absence. You know, them did ban him for 16 years. So congrats on that, brother, car. You don't know, me know you have a shell down that, and me know them want to see you. And me know saying that them man get all back them visa, you know, brother. Me a tell you, you know. Me say President Obama book ticket and so sick me, you know. Alright, but no say me say Donald Trump have an argument say when he get his visa, I'm gonna be there. Yes, wonderful man, very wonderful. Yes, very well. You understand? So anyway, Killer go over there and alone darkness and I say, yo, me a bad man. Yo, Merciless wasn't my friend. He wasn't my colleague, he was my co-worker, and source worker, and so, you know, and the alone darkness. You see me, the man say, yo, which me name dead, and me never go in funeral, so nobody not talk about that. You know why nobody not talk about that, cause assailant, nobody not who know assailant, brother. Assailant those alliance, but mostly alliance people and who listen to alliance. No, so me even know who name assailant, much less. R.I.P. You see me, yeah, after him dead, me really know him. When me see him, you see me, yeah, go do some sitting wet. You understand? But anyway, now, listen to voice note. All courtesy of the visor, Motor Massey.
however the man go lose it, you know that. Drugs kill Merciless, you know.
No, so I hear.
His drugs kill Merciless.
Yeah, but
they just shy to say.
It was no heart attack.
No heart attack or nothing, brethren. Overdose kill the dog. And we don't even want to elaborate on the dead man, nothing but them for go.
Yeah.
Done a funeral, me a bad man.
Yeah.
The boy can't ramp with me.
Well,
Merciless wasn't my friend. He wasn't my colleague.
Yeah.
He was just a co-worker. Merciless show me no love, no respect. Me no owe Merciless and him family them. No more than condolences.
All right.
I see them dead and buried it Thursday. I'm in the God funeral. Oh, no, dirty drunk and say nothing.
And come
Keep our alliance. Tell them they were choking a Merciless grave. You're a bad man.
That was a question. I was going to ask if you went to the...
I received these voice notes reacting to the interview. Check it out.
Bounty killer ignorant, man. Bounty killer ignorant. Right now, afraid of Merciless. Cause Merciless are one of the baddest bomb-clot artists ever walk in Jamaica. None of them not have lyrics and rhyme. None of them not have lyrics too much and rhyme like Merciless. Remember me tell you. Yeah, listen some run things job what the man are doing a run things studio, man. I think upon your channel. Me say, Merciless, man. Full of rhyme and bomb-clot lyrics. Everyone in lyrics, them want him do connect. He rhyme, he come like when we a little boy and usually build up lyrics and rhyme. Me ask you, them can't take, afraid of Merciless. Cause Merciless kill him. Yeah.
I mean, I want not even one more dub plate for them, all for one US muscle. So, okay, mama, this done that.
At 104, man, a grand came and in them, man. Time if you do one show tonight. Yeah, the man all say, yo, the man I carry revenge for the clash with Beanie Man when Merciless clash with three of them. The man I say, yo, a Beanie Man come up to make them lose the clash because after I ready to take on Merciless, then Beanie Man running, because Merciless call Beanie Man on his side. I'll go down the man that comes on the station and I go, I say, no, sir. The man I got on vile, man. The man have to calm down, man. I just part out me catch. I mean, I said, no, sir, because barber shop with them now. I said, no, man. Because he did an interview and the man them a lick out in the barber shop. But lick out on him and say, yo, the man go. Then I rate him as something you see. Yeah, man, but I don't rate him move, man. The man have kind of man from. You cannot deal with the man, so you can't deal with country man, because I'm find out say the town artists don't really respect. The artists don't respect country artists. That's why enough of the country artists don't get hold down.
You know this is John Gray, eh?
But I want to hear what you say.
Boy, man. Real boy. Nah, I'm gonna make it from this side now.
One killer boy, man and friend, I'm gonna suck him mother and chuck him in blood clan but a grave. And the most delusionalist thing me ever hear from an artist, him f*** off and go.
What do you mean by the man not show him no respect? What do you mean by the man not show him no respect? Every show of Merciless go on. Down to the last live performance, we see a Merciless a boombox. The man come on, me a man big up Merciless, me a man big up Bounty Killer, big up Beanie Man, big up Bujo. You see him, a 4-man name big up and he go up on the stage a boombox. He's a big up Bounty Killer, big up Beanie Man, big up Bujo Band and big up Junior Reid we sing One Blood. None of the four of them know a show for the man thing. Move them pussy and go here. Every interview Merciless, me and Merciless pan he speak well of Bounty Killer. When me don't want the man to go back or take back the beating. I keep moving to what I'm about Merciless was not his friend, is not his colleague. What kind of disrespect that?
Boy, Bounty Killer coming like him the pan drugs. I see the arrogant man. Me not like Killer and Killer go suck him woman and go man. Killer coming like a boy. Me not like Bounty Killer. Me never like Bounty Killer. I will never like Bounty Killer. Bounty are the worst blood clot DJ. You know, it's the best of Bounty Killer gone, you know. Bounty coming like a old tree stump, Gretchen. I want him to just take a frazzler spring off of him. Killer bad mind. Killer born with bad mind and I got dead with blood clot bad mind. Killer the worst. Killer bust you for cuss you. Killer them send you a road and then end up try pop in your career. Killer not have no good mind. Him bust you in life, have a crowd around him, but as long as he see you start to good, yeah, him have a problem. Because you have to praise him. He come like some people I know. He want to fall on him blood clot and say praises be Almighty Judge of Bounty Killer. Suck your mother. Say. Rude. Killer boy man. Killer. You may hate Bounty Killer, you see. Say like that. You know time we hate Killer Scully. For when Killer come on your place and I go and I say no one pay for the liquor them. And they end up pay for them blood clot. If you tell them about it, Scully, for them time I'm not like Bounty come like a boy. Me hate killer like poison. All. And we are going to chuck off. You soon chuck off in your own grave, man. You might go like a mercy alone can do. The whole of we can do in a boy. So when time in dead and gone, you know say people are gonna go come in blood clot funeral. Eh? So like that. I discuss the boy, yes, man.
So now listen voice note now. This argument is a communal conversation where in a comment section this have to go bread back down really. Because bad to bad, you know, brother. Bad to bad, you know. There can be several reasons why bounty killer not going on. I not take up for killer, you know. But if, alright, Mafia say him should have go because Merciless got kill a father funeral. You understand me? And if a man go your father funeral, it only augurs well for you reciprocate that thing there. If him drop out, you go show your love. But over the span of time, me have bread back it down impartially, you know. We don't know what transpire between the two artists them. You understand me? So poor Merciless did send some shocky woman neatly go fling pan killer driveway and shoot behind the door. You see me? In a one dirty thinking kerchief or a McDonald's bag. Me no. Suppose some sick neither say. You see me? Some people say killer banned and Merciless after I clash, you know. And him kill him career, you know. Vegas sister, you know me. Can him say killer have a style where him tell the producer them say don't vice pan him not vice pan the rhythm, you know, if Merciless the pan. So what you think them a go pick? And at that help drive down Merciless to drinking because him stress out and him couldn't get no show. You see me? And then him have to lift up, go foreign, they are foreign, get caught up in that lane there, get locked up for narcotics, do time and get deported. Anyway, him get a big song out of it. But when him drop back to Jamaica, the donkey done gone through the gate already because him done turn addict. You understand? Him done turn addict in a badness, brother. And when you look for Merciless was a boy, Merciless need mercy because the less run left it, left him want more mercy. So he wasn't a Merciless, he need less of mercy. He need one with mercy. Because when you see him with the water bottle rum in there, you see notice him always a drink water. And the water in a year rum, he think of rum. A man say, you know, if you see Merciless, you know, say him a come in his studio and him just pull up, you know. Because by the time him pull the car door in a lone area and him never run out, come and greet her for him, a shake off hand for Merciless come out, you know. You understand? Remember what them say, you know, about the man who create rum, you know. Them say the man who create rum died 1,000 years ago, but guess what? His spirit still lives on, and that's true Merciless. Now, did killer have a right to come out and brush him when him body day, when Maggie's not done near me yet? It sound harsh, but me have to deal it harsh, because killer deal it harsh, and maybe out of frustration, because everybody had turned down upon him. But guess what now? To whom much is given, much is expected. Heavy is the head that wears the crown. But sometimes every man a human being, and everybody turn down. That's why I pick my words them carefully, and you will never hear me blame killer if you not going up. Me say it would have been nice if he had went. But then think about the environment. If a man not sure about the environment, alright, you have to walk a mile in a man's shoes for you know him pain, you know. You understand? Everybody can get up and I say this, but everybody are not killer. Suppose him not feel safe in the environment. Suppose something what did say and that grassroots and some man did just wait for catch him, or him go there and them run him away and say them no want him here. You don't know where I go through pilgrim mind. So me have to break back it down justifyingly, you know. Justifiably. You understand me? When me I do this, me not do it in an obsequious manner. You understand me? No, I'm not. And the evidence when me have why killer should have go or why him shouldn't go is not irrefutable. His criteria may be more tangible than anyone away can even imagine. And in his mind, in his mens rea, which is the guilty or the blamable state of mind which is necessary to constitute a crime, in a free mind, him know say yo, if him go, you'd hear more negativity out of him going more than positivity. And him say him not owe Merciless parents nothing, which him don't owe them nothing. Why more them? Him no owe them nothing, brother. More than a condolences as what him say. The manner of how him say it kinda condescending, brash and disrespectful to the family. But sometimes when a man come under pressure, all he know for then back him up against a wall and lash out, and that is killer's personality. He now go break back it down and water down in badness in nobody. But at the same time, you have to show respect for your deceased colleagues. You know what I mean? And sometimes it's not what you say, is how you say it, you know, and the tone, the manner, you know, the pontification, you know. One man, oh, I'm a co-worker, and I'm a colleague, and I'm a friend. Did Merciless benefit from the Killer's existence more than how Killer benefit? Because remember, we all know Merciless boss off a Killer style. So he make a life, the house when build a true bounty killer. It sound far-fetched and it sound like a foolishness, but I not lie. A Killer style him take and boss and could have feed him family and make everybody cock up in a settee. You understand me? So if him did go, maybe we would have did there. You'd have hear people say, he won't go for the hype dark, I'm a Merciless and a friend. So him, the energy when him bring the dark Merciless go turn in a grave. So in that situation, me not feel like Killer could have win. To each his own. You understand me? As when I say heavy is the head that wears the crown. You don't have to agree with my bread back downings, you know. You see me? And some pilgrim now dark and I support Merciless. Cause them a say some sitting a man say, yo, if Killer double plate herself $1, I don't want it. But you don't never see Killer double plate herself $1, my family. You understand me? But I understand Merciless on the artist on the dark and how Killer express himself, and sometimes Killer a soft answer turn it away right. Sometimes, you know, when you are leading a brother, you have the winnings, don't ever think that cannot be taken away from you. Because that which is given can be easily taken away. Remember Saddam Hussein, the big and mighty, and a little hole like a rat, them go dry him out. So now because a man have the power, look into me and say, sometime you have to watch the tone. You have to watch the tone. Because that which is imparted and can be easily departed from. And every man have a date with the Grim Reaper. Every man have a date with the Grim Reaper. And one of the wickedest thing, if somebody close pass to you, one of your child, one of your this and that, and none of your peers them to turn up. Remember what I saying in the first video, go watch part 1. When somebody die for you, when you are in jail or prison, or when you're sick, even if your worst enemy turn up, you are one of the happiest person. So, would I think Merciless family would have glad for the Killer? Certainly. Certainly. But then, in a Killer mind, some people that use it are paint their own agenda, and him never want that. Maybe him have other important things to deal with, because if you understand, you know, your business is not as important to you as it is to the next man, you know. So Merciless funeral not important to Killer as it is to everybody else. Him have things to do, you understand me? But you know how Jamaica stay, them billion them broke you down, and this will be ever tied to Killer foot them like the chains of slavery. This now gonna left him. So this argument is an argument where it have to go back and forth with no side of the winner. Because no man know about the Killer state of mind. And every man have a right to decide his own movement, his own destiny. The Guru has spoken. Okay guys, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna continue this discussion. So you can leave me a voice note. I will post it up in the next video, and still leave a comment in the comment section. But you can send me a voice note, and I'm gonna make, you know, 1 more or 2 more video, because everybody have them own point of view. So if you are pro Killer not going or anti Killer not going, meaning if Killer should have go or him shouldn't go, or should he have said what he said so blatantly or brawlingly, do those men have the right to say what them say about him? You know, just leave it in the voice note and make us start a voice note. You see me? So everybody have their own thing. Alright? So the number is 876-585-3404. That's my promo number. Now I will post your voice note comment in the next video coming up. Alright? If it's more, if it's a lot, well, me I go do 2 videos or more. But leave your comment. Remember, check out Darker Side of Paradise audiobook written and narrated by Guru, 31 episode, 2 volume. Support the movement, $50 copy. Email it to you. It's cheap online if you want it. Remember, we have the stores, you know, Teespring, True Island story with a whole heap of thing in it. You see me? So make sure you keckle up the store, give the support. Cause if you don't support me, I can't help back people. You understand? Big up my Patreon squad. We have the Patreon WhatsApp group. A bag of things in there. And on the Patreon, we put up all kind of video in another story, you know. So when you don't see nothing go, when you think nothing go on the main Patreon, a whole heap of video, funny video, serious video, some video we not when they even on the Patreon WhatsApp, they on the main Patreon. Because we split up everything. Now we have the True Island Extras new channel. We have the True Island History channel. So you know, subscribe to the True Island Issue channel, subscribe to the True Island Extras channel. You understand me? Yeah, man, because we have put up some clippings from that and some things on YouTube. All the Guru Bible. You see me? Where me have broke down the Guru Bible, somehow understand my lingua and my language and my slang them and other stories and talk about on True Island Extras. So give me a subscribe, man, and that is our backup channel, the True Island Extras. You understand? True Island Story Extras. So subscribe and help me build that. That means if nothing happen to the big channel, we have that, you know, as a community. See? So me and beg on man. Me the link in the description, True Island Extras, man. Just bust a subscribe and, you know what I mean, some shots upon it now. And one clip, I'll add some more clippings to it. So you don't know, bless upon yourself, walk with, stay with a travel. But if you choose to pick up the gun of the knife, then there's a chance you might end up in True Island Stories. What? Well, are you chooser?
I am Joy.
Pepper, you know the real G-thing, huh? How I grow, sometime the road tough side slow. Real patriots never buck, never fall. How they get to run, that's why. Back from the boy, we don't do that. Boy, who no can't kill with joy, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, and a man bust a shot him off a pack up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, no assumption, I saw the ground run, yeah. Power, married to corruption, criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation, I see the said someone wanted man will live long. Name one, things forever bury with no done. Name one, and good honest politician. Name one, and get a youth resilient. Back from the boy who no do that. Boy, who no can't kill with joy. Who no boy, who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, now a man better boy. And a man bust a shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, yo, a man better. Things risky, for the misfit. Dead rate fit the logistic. Chris, I want the biscuit. Be a tough crackers with the whiskey. You're not listening. Crime live here, so it's not visiting. Visitors, careful, you know what the business is. Murder, plunder, pillaging, oh. Bloodshed in all the villages. You name it, yo, we live in it. Death reach, I do a special delivery. Nightmare, tormented images. Vengeance, bloody cycle continuing. But know you seek that, but it's no revenge. Looking at the mirror, there is no different. Man, we're full of, hey. And we know we trends back from the boy, I wanna do that. Who no can't tell with joy, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yup, now a man better. Any man bust no shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, now a man better. No assumption, I saw the ground run. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation, passing the said someone wanted man will live long. Name one, brings a fella with no name one. One honest politician, name one who. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy, we not do that. Can't kill with joy on the back. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, a man better boy. Any man bust a shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him do it. But none of that or that. Yo, you know the thing going on, suck a seat up a beat, you know. Hey man, take your time man. Boy, go man. Man to them pepper.
Mention